Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a new website. In this video we will take a complete review of this token. So let's get started. But if you are new on this channel, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get notification about all new upcoming videos, and hit the like button and give reviews in the comment section. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss about Depsy. Friends, we are discuss about Depsy, friendly social network for crypto investors. We are working to create the finest cryptocurrency social network for investors. It's not just a simple social network as many people believe. White paper discover more. Friends, we are talking about after our ecosystem, Depsy. As a friendly social network for cryptocurrency investors, Depsy is looking to connect crypto communities all in one platform. Contracto. Contracto org considers all security measures in order to give investors better and more secure investing options. FuelPad, an artificial intelligence scanning machines, independent auditing team for smart contract and a safe investing environment. Listed on Depsy has been listed on leading cryptocurrency listing platforms during this month of hard effort. Friends, these are websites. You contact these websites again. Yummy ecosystem features. Major features: Depsy chain, BSC charts, decentralized exchange, MetaMask integration, unique social features, portfolio management, safer environment. The following table compares several key features of our ecosystem as well as Depsy as a standalone platform. Stable growth and shareholder share. We have witnessed steady growth since Depsy started, and we are excited to release our products soon. We have noticed a significant increase of holders during the last few months. 118M circulating supply, 3K holders. Biggest projects and cryptocurrencies. The biggest projects and cryptocurrencies on the market will be available on our platform for our entire community. Everything is in one post. There's are no need to go anywhere else. Simply visit Depsy to keep up with your favorite projects. App economics temporary rewards reflections. Every transaction yield a 2% reward for all holders. Passive income for all app holders. Auto liquidity. A stable liquidity pool is another anti-whale features. As a result, our pool is entitled to 7% of all transactions. Marketing wallet. We have set the marketing wallet to service 1% of every app transaction so that we can invest and reach larger audiences. Major roadmap. Friends, we are talking about roadmap 2021 August 15 launch. On August 15, the app smart contract was released for all investors. It was a fair sale. The total number of coins in circulation was 148000000. September 15 testnet launched a testnet for our entire community to try out the fundamental features of our upcoming platform. Several features such as an anonymous posting audio and voice comments are available on this testnet. Testnet can be found on Ruby Depsy IO. October 21, Contracto.org. Contracto went live on the fair sale on October 21st. There were 1 lakh coins in circulation. Contracto has its own drug scanner and sniffer as well as its own editing staff. Every project that has been audited by Contracto staff will be given a certified tick on Depsy. 2022 January 19 FuelPad. We have taken the initiative and are putting up our own launchpad dubbed FuelPad. The gas currency is native token to FuelPad. The launchpad will include basic and complex smart contracts as well as unique machines to boost investment security. All projects that user our launchpad have access to our auditing services and the opportunity to earn the Depsy certified badge. January 31 CEX listing. There are numerous options for us to be listed on leading exchange. We anticipated to be listed in January just before our beta launch. Based on these offers, March 15 Depsy beta release. We are working hard to get a Depsy beta out to the public. March is our personal deadline for the beta release. This beta version will contain more continue them to add features to make Dapsy a unicorn in the crypto business. April 20 CEX listing. We will be looking for more exchange after the beta release to help spread the word about our new project. June 15 Dapsy launch. October 15 mobile apps of a team. Friends, we are talking about our team. None of us, including me, ever do great thing, but we can all do small things. We create love, and together we can do something wonderful. Mother Teresa. Klajdi Toki's co-founder and CEO, Dionys Shahaj, co-founder and CFO, Ergina Tafili, co Dorin Gula, social media manager, Emula Salihila, graphic designer. Frequently asked questions: is there a demo of the social platform you are developing? Is this the entire team? How can I buy Dapsy app token? Dapsy the deal with the lengthy roadmap. App DFC $0.000236 plus 1.8% 24 hours in. Friends, we are talking about Instagram, Twitter, other as a friendly social network for cryptocurrency investors. Dapsy is looking to contact crypto communities all in one platform. Network home, smart chain, smart contract audit, white paper, test and telegram charts, coin market cap, coin Gecko, coin paprika, bogged, live coin watch, dextrose. Disclaimer: the information provided shall not in any way constitute a recommendation as at whether you should invest in any product discussed. Dapsy IO accepts on non-liability for any loss occurring to any person acting or refraining from action as a result of any material provided as are published made with from their network. So friends, end of video. So friends, our video ends here. See you again in the next video. Take care for that time. Okay, bye.